Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Jong-kook and Song Ji-hyo fortune harmony analysis. There has been an application for a fortune analysis of harmony between Kim Jong-kook and Song Ji-hyo. They requested that you have good chemistry on the same program. They had a lot in common. Then, how about the fortune harmony? Let's analyze it together. Kim Jong-kook is a candor in his fortune. Candors are warm-hearted and delicate people. Song Ji-hyo is a beautiful flower in her fortune. Flowers like to be gathered together and are very adaptable. The meeting between a warm-hearted person and a beautiful flower seems to have a good atmosphere. There are letters that make Kim Jong-kook feel more attractive, and Song Ji-hyo has letters that mean popularity. That's cool. In addition, Kim Jong-kook has three characters that give him a talented temperament at the bottom of his fortune structure. And they have all the letters that mean the sun. The sun also means lightning, so it plays a good role in fortune as it becomes a person who receives support light. It's a good structure, and they are very affectionate because they have a union in their fortune. Kim Jong-kook has a combination of letters that mean a strong temperament. I will analyze it in the next picture, but there seems to be a reason why it has a very strong appearance unlike the entire structure of the fortune. And Song Ji-hyo has a combination of letters that make her look pretty. They have such a good temperament. Then let's analyze the fortune structure in more detail. Kim Jong-kook is allied with the letters that mean honor in his fortune. Honor for a man can be his child's energy. But after marriage, he will be very close to his child. And they are conflicting with letters that mean themselves or colleagues, which is a conflict or developmental meaning, so it is not a problem. But it means that colleagues are helping them to develop and adding competitiveness to their role is a good role. He is sending energy from letters that mean himself to letters that mean powerful art. This means that he is putting too much energy into spreading his talent. Kim Jong-kook had the fortune of doing so many activities, but steady exercise is essential as it is now because his energy may be exhausted. Maybe he has heard someone's advice or he has learned it himself as he gets older. But exercise is a must when his energy is weaker than this energy exhaustion. There are times when he engages in activities that he can't handle, and that's a very, very important fortune structure. And there are a lot of people who have good looks and pursue an exemplary life because of their honor and harmony. The upper part of the fortune is social activity, but the lower letters in the fortune are in personal life. Although he is social, exemplary, and normative, he personally seeks a very free and fun life. He makes things to do without sitting still for a moment. It's a good idea to meet someone who has this opposite side and fits well with this side. Song Ji-hyo's energy is flowing well with words that mean art, wealth, and honor and man. Art means children to women, but if she gets married, her children and husband will be very close. This is what they look like. However, Song Ji-hyo's activities are somewhat tied up in combination of the letters that mean free art. But the letters that mean honor are very strong, and the letters that mean personal life at the bottom. It means to pursue an orderly life, norms, and exemplary life rather than freedom in personal life. This letter also means man, so I think Song Ji-hyo has gained popularity in programs with men. Letters with strong energies fortune have a very strong influence on a person's life. Kim Jong-kook has a strong artistic temperament and a progress-oriented mindset, while Song Ji-hyo has a strong spirit of honor and a result-oriented mindset. Therefore, they have a lot of similarities, but their strong temperament is contradictory, so I will give them 85% of the fortune harmony score. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.